This video explains the operation of WALT dual voltage electric start-stop generators. Add diesel engine oil. Use the recommended grade, CD15W40. Make sure the oil level is at the middle of the dipstick and is neither too high nor too low. For a new generator, replace the engine oil after the first 20 hours, then every 50 hours thereafter. Fill the fuel tank with diesel fuel. Disconnect the fuel hose to bleed air from the fuel system. When diesel flows out continuously, air bleeding is completed. Check battery condition and connect battery correctly. Before starting the generator, ensure that the circuit breaker on the control panel is in the off position. Turn the start key to on, then continue turning it to the start position to start the engine after the generator starts. Switch the circuit breaker to on to allow the generator to supply power. If dual voltage operation is required, use the dual voltage selector switch to choose the desired output voltage according to your application. Before shutdown, switch the circuit breaker to off and wait for about 10 seconds to allow the generator to stabilize under no load. Then turn the start key back to off to completely stop the generator.